Welcome to the fascinating world of the stock market, a place where dreams are built, fortunes are made, and lessons are learned. In just 5 minutes, we'll journey through its origins, its mechanics, and its pivotal role in shaping global economies. This is not just about money, it's about human ambition, risk, and innovation. The story begins in Amsterdam in the early 1600s. The Dutch East India Company needed to fund their ambitious voyages across uncharted waters. To do this, they issued shares to the public, a revolutionary idea at the time. And so, the concept of a stock exchange was born. Investors traded ownership for the promise of profit, laying the foundation for modern markets. Today, these humble beginnings have evolved into sophisticated global networks connecting millions of investors. At its core, the stock market operates as a giant marketplace, where companies list their shares for the public to buy. Investors purchase these shares, becoming partial owners. Stock prices fluctuate based on demand and supply, influenced by factors like company performance, economic trends, and investor sentiment. It's a game of confidence. The price of a stock often reflects how people feel about a company's future. The stock market isn't just a trading platform. It fuels growth and innovation. By raising money through public investments, companies can fund research, expand operations, and create jobs. It's an ecosystem where success in one corner can ripple across industries and nations. From the smartphone in your hand to the medicines in your cabinet, chances are they were brought to you by companies funded through the stock market. Of course, the stock market isn't without its risks. Economic crises, unforeseen events, and speculative bubbles can lead to dramatic crashes. But through every downturn, the market has rebounded, showing its resilience and potential for long-term growth. Investing wisely, diversifying, and staying patient are the keys to navigating this thrilling yet unpredictable landscape. The stock market is more than numbers on a screen. It's a reflection of our collective aspirations, challenges, and achievements. As we continue to innovate and adapt, one thing remains certain. The stock market will always be at the heart of economic progress.